Hello. Welcome to Quadrant Measurements YouTube channel. What if your circuit breaker trips, but not fast enough? Even a few milliseconds can lead to costly damage. In this video, we'll explain why breaker timing testing is essential and how Quadrant's circuit breaker timing kit helps ensure accurate and reliable testing. So what exactly is a circuit breaker timing test? It is a test that measures, in milliseconds, exactly how long a breaker takes to complete its operations. That is opening, closing, and the coordination between all three phases. Specifically, we measure trip time, close time, and pole discrepancy, that is the difference in timing between phases. Why does breaker timing test matter? Because a breaker's entire purpose is to interrupt fault current within a specific time window. Protection systems, relays, fuses, coordination studies are all designed assuming the breaker will operate within a defined time. If your breaker takes longer than expected to trip, every protection calculation built on top of that assumption becomes unreliable. What happens if a circuit breaker's timing is never tested? First, hidden degradation. Springs weaken, lubrication dries out, and trip coils age. The breaker may still operate but slower than intended. Second, higher fault energy. A delayed trip allows fault current to flow longer, increasing equipment damage and arc flash risk. Third, pole mismatch. If all poles don't operate together, it can cause system imbalance, equipment damage, and safety hazards. Finally, compliance risk. In short, a breaker may appear healthy, but without timing testing, you can't be sure it will operate correctly when it matters most. So, how do you actually run a timing test that captures all of this? You need a dedicated instrument built for exactly this purpose. This is our circuit breaker timer kits. It is designed specifically to measure everything we just talked about: trip time, close time, and pole discrepancy across all three phases, simultaneously, in a single test sequence. Here are some of the main features about Breaker Timer Kit. Most importantly, we offer user-selectable 1, 2, 3, and 4-pole measurement. Range, 0.1 millisecond to 99.99.9 millisecond. Resolution, 0.1 milliseconds. Small, portable, lightweight, constructed in suitcase for field use. Built-in thermal printer to print test results. Data download Windows-based software. Sampling speed auto-selectable to avoid human errors. For breaker testing along with breaker timing kit, we also manufacture 1. Contact resistance meter. 100 ampere model with and without printer. 200 ampere model with and without printer. 2. Insulation resistance meter that is Megger. 3. High voltage test kit or high pot. Customizable as per requirements. Let us know in comments section your observations in breaker testing. For any inquiries or information, please contact us at sales@quadrantmeasurements.com or quadrantmeasurements.com. Thank you for watching.